Hello, my name is Ben Bond with Keller Williams Realty. Today we're going to talk about two things that you want to avoid in real estate. I had a personal experience where I listed a home. It was vacant, and anyone that goes through photos, it doesn't matter what website that they're pushed out to, they can tell if the home is occupied or vacant. Scammers are looking for that vacant home for sale or for rent, and what they're going to do is they are going to take those pictures and they're going to repost them, and they are going to advertise the home for rent at a reduced rate so it looks like a great deal, which in turn what that's going to do, they're going to get a lot of phone calls, text, or emails to them. The thing is that they're never going to meet you in person. They're going to want to handle everything over the phone or via text, most likely text. And they're going to want you to send them money ahead of time before you've even been in the property or seen it. They're not going to meet you there, and they're not going to give you a key. So be aware of that. For sale by owners, this is another reason why you want to use a professional real estate agent, because we will help avoid some of these issues that will happen. And they're inevitable. They will happen. However, we will help you follow up and help protect you. If you see that place that's for rent, that's really low for the area, it's probably too good to be true, and it is a scam. Number two that we want to talk about today is, as a buyer, when you're closing on a property, you're either going to you got to bring funds to the table typically. That's either going to be by cashier's check or a wire. Now with the wire, that's what we're talking about today. That is where it's very important that you get the wire instructions only from the title company that you're closing at. Have them give you the wire instructions, call them and verify the numbers so that before you have your bank wire them the funds, we know that it's going to the right person, because once a wire is sent, it's sent. We want to help you get into your home safely. These are the two scams that in real estate that you want to avoid. Thank you. This is Ben Bond, and have a great day.